You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two Irish names that are some of the most mispronounced, or let's call them maybe a bit confusing from their spellings in Irish. If you want to learn more Irish names, stay tuned. I've got many videos for you. Great suggestions for names. So the top name here is pronounced generally Caoimhe, alright, spelling C-A-O-I-M-H-E. Caoimhe, sometimes pronounced as Kiva as well. The bottom name, Caoimhe, means deer or noble. Bottom name is pronounced Siobhan. Siobhan. Now, the meaning here is God is gracious. So, Caoimhe or Kiva sometimes, and Siobhan. More Irish names for you right here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.